It's Bonnie. Happy Sunday! I am back! Oh my gosh, you guys. Two good things happened today. Number one, I found my Greg Brady Groovy shirt. Apparently it went through the laundry and it was in the clean basket. So Greg is back. And number two is I got my house cleaned. Oh my gosh. I scrubbed my kitchen floor. I cleaned the bathrooms. I straightened up. I love when I clean my house on a Sunday and then I can go into the week feeling like everything is in order. I started to put up my Halloween decorations in my dining room. I just feel really more organized today, so that was a good thing. The third thing, actually, I said two things, but the third good thing is that Bath & Body Works still has the $4.95 fragrance mist sale going on. This is definitely a sale that you do not want to pass up. So if you're kind of on the fence and thinking maybe you want to wait it out, I would not wait on this one. $4.95 is, they're calling it the lowest price of the season. It pretty much is. Usually they don't do $4.95. Usually they'll do $4.50, $5.95. So if you're wanting to try out some of the new Halloween scents, or if you want to stock up on some old favorites, today is definitely the day to do it, because tomorrow, especially with a lot of this faceted stuff, which is like $18.95, you're going to want to get these now, because tomorrow, even at buy three, get three, they're going to be like $9 each. So I highly recommend shopping today if you want to get the mist. So I have a fun video. I thought it would be really fun to sort on the Bath & Body Works bestseller list and kind of talk about their top-selling fragrances, because they don't really match mine, which I thought was interesting. It's always interesting. So we're going to go through the whole list. So, number one, I can't find my mist at the moment. Into the Night. I agree with Into the Night. This one has over 2,000 reviews. It is phenomenal. I have it in the body butter. Into the Night is raspberry noir, amber crystals, velvety rose petals, creamy patchouli, and mocha musk. It's kind of like a holiday scent, but it's perfect for Halloween. I have a brand new one. Check that out. This smells so good. I might wear this today. I do love Into the Night. It's a great evening scent. It's on the heavy side, though. So that's like the number one bestseller at Bath & Body Works, which does not surprise me. Number two is Vampire Blood. Oh my goodness. I think Vampire Blood is going to sell out. It's funny, I did a casual poll on my community tab, and everyone loves the Vampire Blood. So especially this weekend, I have a feeling people are buying multiples of these. In the store, I would get your Vampire Blood. Sooner or later, it's got the plum. It's got the night blooming jasmine. It is absolutely wonderful. Okay, number three on the list is 1,000 Wishes. I know a lot of people love 1,000 Wishes. It's not necessarily my scent. I don't mind it, but it's one of those florals that's out there that a lot of people just love, so it's very popular. Number four is Japanese Cherry Blossom. There's so many jokes about Japanese Cherry Blossom. My mother loves this. This is an old one without the scent. Now, it's funny. This scent, I could smell it like a mile away. I was going 10,000 miles away. Japanese Cherry Blossom is so recognizable. It's been around forever, and a lot of people love it. This is like my mom's all-time favorite scent. The packaging is pretty. So you might want to consider trying it today. Champagne Toast. There's so many versions of Champagne Toast out there. Bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, and juicy tangerine. You literally cannot go wrong with Champagne Toast. Seriously, this is a scent. It's kind of timeless. It's very fruity. It's very bubbly. It's very happy. And it's a favorite for a lot of people. So if you need to stock up on your Champagne Toast, I would do that today. Gingham Gorgeous. Remember how popular Gingham Gorgeous was in the spring? I think that was like everybody's favorite. I thought it was a repackage of Perfect Peony. It wasn't. But it's got the pink strawberries, peach nectar, and peony blossoms. It's absolutely beautiful. The packaging is gorgeous. You could even pick up a couple of these, put them into like storage, and save them for spring, because who knows if it'll be around. Next on the list, side by side, are Midnight Spell and Everlasting Magic. On my poll, everybody likes Everlasting Magic a little bit. There's a big debate on whether this is Sugared Cherry Crisp. I can't tell, honestly. I think it's a cousin. I do not think it's a repackage, but I will get out my Sugar Cherry Crisp and I will compare. Midnight Spell is more of a unisex scent. This one is Mystic Air, Moonlit Woods, and Crystal Amber. I like it. It's nice. I just don't like it now. I think it needs to be more of a later fall scent. Next up, In the Stars has a brand new packaging. I did order it. There's something in that just doesn't work with me. A lot of people love In the Stars, though. A lot of people are like, what do you mean you don't like In the Stars? It's the Starflower, Sandalwood Musk, Sugared Tangelo, White Agarwood, and Radiant Amber. It's very recognizable, and a lot of people love this scent. So you might want to consider trying that one. Gingham, the traditional gingham, is on the list. A lot of people love gingham. I'm not super crazy about it. It's too florally. Moonlit Path, online exclusive, apparently is very popular. That's another one that my mom loves. Strawberry Pound Cake. You know, Strawberry Pound Cake's high on the list. You cannot go wrong with Strawberry Pound Cake. If you had to buy one foodie scent from Bath & Body Works that's popular, I would go with Strawberry Pound Cake. You cannot go wrong. Chasing Fireflies is up on the list. This is page 1, as is Cactus Blossom. Those are both very popular. Endless Sea, that's the new one. It didn't do anything for me. That's the Fresh Bergamot, Saltwater Lily, and Ocean Driftwood. It was okay. I don't mind it, but it's not like my overall favorite by any means. Beautiful Day and Sweet Pea are on the list. And then for fall, I was really intrigued because it seems like the favorite for fall right now is Ivory Cashmere. I got to get the mist. This one is the Fresh Lakeside Air, Silver Musk, and White Amber. A lot of people love Ivory Cashmere in the fall. I think this could be unisex. It's a very like dry amber to me. It's pretty. It's just not like my scent, but a lot of people love this one. It's got some staying power. I would consider that one. Next up, Warm Vanilla Sugar. That is a good one. I feel like they strengthened the formula a little bit over the years. I don't know. I like Warm Vanilla Sugar. I've been using that in the shower gel. Butterfly. Oh my gosh, you guys. Butterfly is amazing. Get the Butterfly now. That's a good one for the sale. At the beach, you got another month of the beach. I would pick up At the Beach. Dark Kiss. Dark Kiss is classic Bath & Body Works. That one is definitely a yay for Halloween. It's got the black raspberry, burgundy rose, bergamot incense, dark vanilla bean, and plum musk. Another really good plum, but this one's got more of that almost like patchouli scent in it, so it's a little bit darker than like Vampire Blood, but a good one. Okay, next up is Rose. And then Champagne Apple and Honey. I just talked about this one yesterday. Oh, check it out. This is so exciting. So you know what I did in my cleaning? I organized all of my fall products into one bin. And then I've got all of my, oh my gosh, Halloween body care. I'm going to do a video about all the Halloween body care I bought, by the way, because I think I got a lot and I'm excited. Champagne Apple and Honey. You know, it's funny. I like this one occasionally, but it's not like my favorite, but I know a lot of people love this one. It's nice. It's like a nice, fruity, fresh, springy, I think it's springy, like floral apple. Next up is Wild Sand. Oh, by the way, you know what? I might have to do another order today. I don't have the full size in the Endless Sea and Wild Sand for my collection. I don't know why I didn't get those yet. Oh, Underwater Oasis. You know I love that one. That is a good one. Cocoa Paradise is next. I can't believe Cocoa Paradise is still on the top. A lot of people must have liked that one. The new Together Weather is on the list. I have to review that. Sensual Amber, Sweater Weather, Dream Right. These are in order from most popular, and I'm going down the list. Love Always Wins. That's a good one. Fairy Tale. Fairy Tale, I think, is a very close sibling to Chasing Fireflies. Midnight Blue Citrus. That is a good one. Black Cherry Merlot, just talked about that. Pumpkin Pecan Waffles. Oh, Twilight Woods. Twilight Woods. Don't forget about, oh, this is Wicked Vanilla Woods. I thought I grabbed Twilight Woods. A lot of people want this one back, by the way. Twilight Woods is good too. Leaves is next. Oh my gosh. I love Leaves. A lot of people are not digging Leaves as much as me. Oh my gosh, I love this one so much. I love the clove. Oh yeah, my leaves is on page 1. Poppy Among the Clouds. Okay, now we're going to page 2. We're gonna see what the least favorite scent is. I'm like, I don't even know. Pink Pineapple Sunrise, and then Pretty as a Peach. Fall in Bloom, which I know a lot of people are excited that Fall in Bloom is back. This is like a plum, but it's a little bit of a different plum. Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. That's got to go up higher because you know what? They've improved the formula this year. And oh my goodness, where's my Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte? I just had it, you guys. Where did I put it? Everything's supposed to be in the fall bin. I think I might have goofed. Okay, Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte smelled really good this year. I'm excited. Cucumber Melon. Oh my gosh, Cucumber Melon has beat out White Citrus. No, White Citrus is better than Cucumber Melon. Oh my gosh. Okay, you know what the worst... Okay, so that's interesting though. So the two, and I'm only going on full size. So for the sale, the two worst scents are Cucumber Melon and White Citrus. That's interesting. And you know why Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte is so far down on the list? Because it was weird last year. No one liked it last year. But they did improve the formula for this year. So I'm excited to do that one. Where is it? You know, I must have set it out somewhere. Is this the... Oh, this is the shower gel. I gotta smell this one. Oh yeah, it smells good this year. It always smells good, the shower gel, but oh my gosh, the mist is good. So anyway, oh my gosh, this was actually a lot of fun. We got to do the best sellers on the Bath & Body Works Fine Fragrance Mist list. There's only 2 pages. They did include the minis on here. I didn't include the minis in my list, but they were probably about like, what, 40 cents? So anyway, today is the day. Definitely do your stock up. Let me know your favorite and your least favorite. My favorite right now, it's tough because, you know, I like Chasing Fireflies. I like Vampire Blood. My least favorite is definitely Cucumber Melon. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will be back later. Have an awesome Sunday. Bye-bye.